Hey guys, this is Howard at UBR Tech, back with another video. Today's video is going to be how to disassemble and reassemble your FN 509 compact tactical handgun. Before we get started, I'd like to ask everybody to please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get back to the video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're safe. And how we do that is we hit this button right here, and that will drop the magazine. And then the next thing we do, because we're still not safe yet, we have to check the chamber. And we can see that there's nothing in the chamber. So now we're safe. Now, the first thing you have to do to start disassembling the 509 Tactical is taking off the thread protector. So you're going to take it off by unscrewing it here. Put that there. Next, we're going to lock the slide back to the rear. How we do that is we push up here like this. We hold it, and then we take the slide and we push it to the rear. Once you hear that little click, it locks the slide back. Then we're going to take the takedown bar right here, and we're going to pull this down to the 6 o'clock position. Next, we're going to grab the slide and we're going to push it back to the rear. And once you hear that click, now we can follow the slide forward. We're going to hold the slide, point the gun in a safe direction, and pull the trigger. Once you've done that, you can push the slide forward and you can set this part down. Next, we're going to grab the recoil spring from here and we're going to pull upward like that. Just like this. Next, we're going to remove the barrel. And how we do that is by grabbing it from here and pushing it back slightly like this. So back, see how it comes out a little bit, and then you're going to pull up on an angle and pull it out like that. Congratulations, you successfully disassembled your 509 Tactical. Now we're going to put everything back together. So the first thing we're going to do is install our barrel. And how we do that is by taking the threaded portion right here and putting it into this hole right here. It's going to look something like this. And then you're going to push the barrel in. You see the barrel block drops into this open area right here. Next, we're going to take our recoil spring and we're going to take the fat end right here and we're going to put it into this circle right here, just like that. Next, we're going to take this portion of the recoil spring and we're going to compress it this way while pushing downward. So it's going to look like this. There you go. One thing to note, you're going to make sure that the recoil spring is aligned straight. Okay, it's not going to be slightly off this way or slightly off to the right. You're going to make sure that it's nice and dead center. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this opening right here and this opening right here, and we're going to slide that onto here and here. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to make sure that this piece right here goes into this opening right there, just like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our slide and we're going to pull it to the rear while pushing and holding up on the slide lock right here. So it's going to look something like this. Now that the slide is locked to the rear, we're going to take our takedown lever and we're going to push it to the 3 o'clock position. Now we can pull the slide to the rear and you're going to see the slide lock release. Once you see the slide lock drop, follow the slide forward. The last part you have to do is put your thread protector back on. There's two sides, one that has the open threads right here and the other side that's kind of capped off. So this side right here is going to go on to the threads, just like this. The last thing I like to do is do a function test. And how you do that is by holding the gun like this and grabbing the rear of the slide and pulling it back a few times, just like that. Then point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Everything sounds like it performed properly. Put your magazine back into the handgun and you're done. You have successfully disassembled and reassembled your FN 509C Tactical. Guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.